In the last classes, we have gone through urban flood as well as drought. Yes, I discussed with you urban flood finished and then drought was going on, yeah? And I said that what is drought first? And in the drought, I said that there is a deficiency of what? Deficiency of rainfall is 25% or more with respect to or in comparison to long time average. Understood it? This is clear? मतलब यदि 25% या उससे ज़्यादा रेनफॉल की डेफिशिएंसी हो जाए, दैट इज कंसिडर्ड एज ड्रॉट. But with respect to long time average. Thereafter, another point it was like I said, the types of disaster. And in the types of disaster, we have seen like meteorological disaster, types of drought. We have seen meteorological drought. MHA बोला था, hydrological drought, agricultural drought. Understood it? And socio-economic drought. Meteorological drought is the same as the definition. Yes? And the hydrological drought, it is, I said that talking about the river or any stream, where the deficiency of the water can cause, I said that, disturbance in water management system in that area. Yes? And thereafter, we are discussing another, it is, I said that, agricultural drought means it is in the form of moisture stress. Yes or not? The moisture stress, if the moisture stress causes what I said that the crop health, ill health of the crop productivity. Yes or not? And these three things are combined together, convert into socio-economic drought. समझा चुका हूँ कैसे ये socio-economic drought में convert होगा. Yes. Thereafter, the next point that we have seen, like, yeah, it's an environmental impact and socio-economic impact. Yes, and environmental impact we have seen MADI. Yes, and the MADI we have seen like M4. Yes, moisture stress. D for drinking of water shortage, and another D for, yes, tell me, another D for damage to the natural vegetation and several ecosystem. Clear? And then I for increased air pollution and water pollution. Got it? We have done, and I have said that why and how. If the soil will not be there, if there rainfall will not be there, the top soil will become what? Dry, and then top it will be eroding, and then that is causing air pollution. And water will be less, that is causing what I said that. If the water is less means, it will be discharged from the urban area, will be, वो तो उतना ही रहेगा, then it will pollute the water. The more water pollution will be there. Thereafter, we have seen, like I said, another point, socio-economic impact. And I have said that MP, I am IS. And then I said first one it is malnutrition, and the malnutrition, there are the two types of undernutrition and overnutrition. But I am talking about here it is which nutrition? Undernutrition. Understood it? Then I said after the malnutrition, yes, poor hygiene condition, and poor hygiene condition, and then there will be ill health. Yes, yes. Then migration is there. There will be. क्या लोग कैसे रहेंगे? What kind of the drought will be there? The what kind of the problem will be there? Malnutrition will be there. Yes. Poor hygiene will be there. Another I said that yes. Ill health will be there, and the people will not think of being there. They will think of migrating at some other places. Yes. Migration will be there. And the next two is related to society. Next two is related to. There is an increased in morbidity and mortality in the society. लोग बहुत मरेंगे. Another point that we have seen, there will be social strife. Means social tension, social violence will be there in the society. These are the things we have discussed yesterday. Means last class. And thereafter I have said there is some drought mitigation. And in the drought mitigation, we have seen, like I said, that preventive measures, and then which measures? Preparedness. Preventive and preparedness. Clear? I said preventive measures. We have to see about preventive measures. No one is new in the class, na? You are new in the class today? It's your first class? चलो समझ में आ जाए तो अच्छी बात है. ऊपर वाले को दुआ देना. So preventive measures, because the disaster management class left with only from today onwards 2 days we have left with. And the next 2 days it is going to finish, so you are joining at the end. You should join somewhere from the new class. और वैसे भी मैं कभी ना बोलता नहीं हूँ कि any one should come into the middle of the disaster. In environment, geography, any time you enter, no problem. Because disaster is associated. So preventive measures, if I am talking about, then I have said the word it is, I said that listen me, WW, can you remember WW? World Wide Web. मैं ये जो लिख रहा हूँ इससे आपको सारे पॉइंट्स याद हो जाएंगे. दैट्स व्हाट आई एम मेकिंग टू. अदरवाइज इट इज़ वेरी हार्ड टू रिमेंबर, एंड मेंस में यही प्रॉब्लम होता है कि हम मगअप करते हैं कुछ पॉइंट्स, एंड देन वहाँ पे फटाफट ओनली यू हैव 9 minutes टू राइट 250 words. 9 minutes. क्या? सो WW हमने क्या बोला? वर्ल्ड वाइड वेब. क्या हमारे आज के यहाँ साइबर सिक्योरिटी प्रॉब्लम है? यस और नॉट? And then cyber security problem is handled by ACP. Who? Who is handling? Who is handling? ACP. But ACP is not able to handle it. Then it has been given to the senior CP. CP में बोला गया कि कौन होना चाहिए? It has been given to senior CP. It has been given to senior CP. तो हम लोग क्या करो? सीनियर CP को दे. क्या दे? ये प्रॉब्लम वर्ल्ड वाइड वेब का जो इंटरनल, दैट इज आई सेड दैट साइबर सिक्योरिटी प्रॉब्लम शुड बी गिवन टू व्हाट? ACP हैज से ट्रांसफर किसको? सीनियर CP को दे दे. So I have discussed with you, I said that this one is wetland to store water. Wetland is like what I said that. Wetland is like what I said that nature's lung नहीं kidney. Nature's kidney. ये वर्ड ध्यान में रखेंगे. It is considered as what? Environment में you have to study nature's kidney. Wetland is considered as, and I said that. And it is famous for, known as, wetland is famous for water management. It is famous for water management. What does it mean, water management? If I am talking about it is famous for water management, I said that at the time of flood, absorbs water. वो extra flood water will be absorbed. जाके आपको बहुत सारे पढ़ना है, रामसर कन्वेंशन वेटलैंड. And at the time of drought, yes, release water on the top. Release water on the top. Is it clear to you? So there should be, what I said, that how to prevent. Prevent का मतलब क्या होता है? ब्लॉक करने की कोशिश कर देना. Yes or not? Preventive measures means I said that try to block. मतलब ड्रॉट आए तो उसका फर्क ना पड़े. Understood it? So हम लोगों को, we should try to create wetland in the nearby region. Yes. And then you can be able to say that by the 2000, in the 2000, if you'll see 19 and 2020, by the time, if you can be able to see, there is 41 wetlands have been, what I said that earlier 26 wetlands are there. Then suddenly the Indian government has increased a very large number of wetlands in India. Right now, according to the Ramsar Convention, there is how many wetlands? Yes? Ramsar Convention, according to this, yes or not? But apart of it, there are several other wetlands are also. Clear? Okay.